Okay, good morning guys. So today's review and unboxing is from Panasonic. As you can see here, this is the Eneloop rechargeable battery pack. So as you can see, meron siyang parang maliit na the green box or packaging enclosure right here, and then there is a handle, and as you can see here, you have the recharge times of 2100, and then it can maintain the charge for 10 years, which is 70% of the charge. And then it also has a USB charging port, and this pack comes with a pre-charge from a solar factory. And then yeah, it has AA and then AAA converters. So as you can see here, meron siyang charger with 4 AA's, and then on the sides you have 2 more of the AA's and 2 AAA's, and then meron siyang mga adapters. Yan. So we're gonna unbox this and take a look how it works, if it still has the charge left. I bought this like maybe a year ago, but I haven't really opened it. So at the back, by the way, is you have there some features, like also if you use the batteries for your mice and keyboard, and then solar lights, and then toys, maybe like remote control cars, and then game controllers that uses the AA or AAA batteries, flashlight, and then the remote controls, and of course your keyboards or musical instruments that are powered by batteries. So that's it. So I think the rating for the AAA, let me take a look. We have for AA, we have 2000 milliampere hours of power, and then AAA we have 800, which is usually typical for the AA and AAA rechargeable batteries. This is made of nickel metal hydride batteries right here, as you can see. And then it has adapters for the C and D types, this one and this one. So buksan na natin, and then we'll, this is, by the way, I bought this from S&R. So we will try to open up from the top, I guess. And so that we can slide it very easy. Yeah. So the charger, of course, the usual. We have this one, and then we have the US plug, and then this is the USB for your phones, and then, oh, by the way, it has, I was wrong, it has 4 AAA batteries, so apat pala siya. Ayan. So the ratings is, it says 750 milliamperes. sure if the camera can focus. Okay, and then the double A, we have 1900 milliamperes. And by the way, these are all Japanese made batteries. As we know, Japan is one of the best battery makers in the world. So, andito na yung mga adapters natin. So, what I understand is that you just open this up and then you put in the... So, this is the positive side, as you can see here. Yan, and then you just close this. Okay. So, you can now use this to power your, like the old transistor radios that uses the D size battery, or yeah. And then we also have, let me try to put the other one. So andito yung, yeah. So this one for the, I think this is the C type. Yes. So this is the C type here. So as you can see, this is marami siyang purpose. So very convenient if you're traveling. So yung sinasabi ko kanina, this one is, ayan, so it closes down. And you can lock this. So I'm just gonna get my multimeter to measure the voltages. Okay, so now I have my multimeter here. So first we're gonna measure the voltage, if it still carries or holds the charge. So we set it up to the 20 volt meter setting, and the red, of course, the positive, and then the negative side probes. So we will check. So it says here it has 1.31 volts for the double A, and then for the triple A it has 1.3 volts. So I guess it still has the charge. They're being stored for many months. They're almost the same, 1.3, 1.31 volts. Yeah. The other one is here. Okay, so batteries are good to go. So the problem now is I have to test it with this one. This is a Duracell flashlight. It holds 3 of them. Oh, 4 batteries. It's very bright. See there. So we're gonna test it with the Eneloop batteries. So this is the last group here. We will test the voltage. Ito yung gagamitin natin para sa Duracell na flashlight. Test muna natin. As you can see there, the corrosion due to storage. Ito natin yung voltage. has 1.3 volts. This one is a bit discharged already. Oh, still. And this one. So I think lahat sila 1.3 volts. Okay. So we're gonna use these adapters for the C type. So we have one already. And then lipat lang natin to. Ayan. So we have two, and then the other ones. Okay, so we now have 4. So let's try to compare the size. Almost the same in diameter. And then the height. Yeah. So ipapower na natin yung flashlight natin. Okay, for the test. Wow, as you can see there, guys, it's very bright. So this flashlight has 4 modes: the low, the high, the wide, blinking. This is the high setting here. So yun, very convenient. So you don't need to buy additional batteries like the C type just to power your flashlight over here. So I hope this video is very helpful to you guys. So eto, binili ko sa SNR. I hope they still have it. So matagal na kasi, so it was a year ago. So tinago ko lang siya. So there you have it. So thank you for watching.